Hi, welcome to Pop's Grill and Q. Today, it's August, summertime, it's 104 degrees outside. I'm not cooking on a pit. So what I'm gonna do, an inside cooking dinner for us tonight. It's gonna be meatballs, sausage with spaghetti. You're gonna like it, and it's very easy. So let me show you what the ingredients are gonna be. We're gonna have some olive oil, some parsley, some breadcrumbs, some sauce. Now I'm going to cheat. I'm going to use Rayo sauce. It's a good sauce. But if you want to make your own sauce, I'll tell you how to do that. But this is an easy and cost-effective way to make you a good sauce. I'm going to use some red pepper flakes, some sugar. The sugar is basically for your sauce. If it's too acid, you can cut it with a little sugar if you like a sweet sauce. I'm going to have some chicken stock, salt and pepper, garlic, an egg, and the star of the show is going to be about a pound of hamburger meat, and I'm using green onion sausage. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix my green onion sausage along with my hamburger meat, but you can use any kind of sausage. In fact, what you can do, you can put some hot sausage in here, you could put some green onion sausage in here, you could put Italian sausage in here. You can make a mixture of sausage. You want to use pork? You can put pork and hamburger. So it's up to you, but I'm going to use green onion because I had it. Let me show you what I did. I started to have some of my green onion in here along with my hamburger. And what I did, I took a regular, this is fresh sausage now. It's not the regular sausage that you see that's already cooked or smoked. And what I did, I cut the case out of the casing. You take it right out. And you just put it along with your hamburger meat and you mix it. So basically what I'll do is take this and I mix it along with my hamburger meat. And you'll notice over here on the bar, I got 4 sausages that are cut in half. And what I'm going to do is when I go ahead and saute this, I want these sausages to go ahead and release some of its juices. It's going to give you all a good sausage taste. So this is what I'm going to do with this hamburger meat and green onion. As you can see, I've mixed it all up. I'm going to add 1 egg. We use as a binder. I'm going to take some breadcrumbs. This is Italian breadcrumbs. You can use whatever you want. I'm going to take about 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, based upon how much meat you have. Mix that up. I also have some Parmesan cheese that I've already grated. And what I'm going to do basically is add some of the Parmesan cheese to my meat. Probably a tablespoon, maybe a tablespoon and a half. And then what I'm going to do is salt and pepper. And then I'm going to add a little bit of my parsley flakes to this. And once again, use your hands. It's the best way to mix this kind of a meal up. And make certain you incorporate that egg in here along with your breadcrumbs. Give it a good stirring. And that looks about right. That green onion's already got some seasoning to it along with the green onion. They got the fat from the sausage along with your hamburger meat. Should be pretty good. And now over here by the tray, I got some wax paper, and I'm going to use this ice cream dispenser. And what I'm going to do basically is take my meat and form a ball in here and give it a little bit of a roll. That way they're kind of all the same size. I'll do another one. I'll do one more. And if you're not using gloves, wet your hands a little bit. It's a little bit easier coming off your hands. So what we'll do is basically now we'll do the rest of the meatballs. And the next time I'll see you, I'll be at the stove and I'll show you how to put it together. We'll be right back. Okay, we're back. You can see here I got the sausage and some meatballs made. And I got some olive oil in here. It's warming up. And what I'm going to do basically, I want my meats to basically release some of the juices off the sausage. What I'm going to do is brown these off. And I cut them in half so that it gives them a chance to go ahead and release some of those juices from the sausage and really take care of this oil, have a nice taste of this oil. So we'll cook this I want to kind of get it brown. And I'm going to add some meatballs to it. I'll let those hamburger and the green sausage that's in the meatballs release some of the flavoring as well. It's going to take a little while for the meatballs to cook. And they'll cook again, once again, on the, once I put the gravy in. And what I'm going to do is add a little bit of our garlic. I didn't cut them up too fine because I don't want to burn my garlic. I do want to give that garlic a chance to release. Okay, so this is the process. We're going to give it about 4 or 5 minutes and then we'll come back. See you in a few minutes. Okay, we're back. It's a process, you know, it's going to take a little time. You need to cook your sausage and cook your meatballs. And they're browning out pretty good right now. The sausage is good and brown. The meatballs are getting there. And what I'm going to do is kind of add a little bit of chicken stock here. Maybe a 1/4 cup of that. And this is I'm going to put my red pepper flakes in here. Not much, just enough to give it a little kick. And kind of deglaze the pan a little bit. Get all that goodness out of there. And I'm going to take my Rayo's sauce. And I'm dumping the whole thing in here. Now, if it's too thick, you add a little chicken stock, or you can add a little wine or water if that's all you have. And all I'm going to do is let this kind of simmer. And I'm going to add a little sugar. And if you don't like sugar, if you like a real acidy spaghetti sauce, that's fine, but I think that's good enough. And we're going to just let this simmer now. And the garlic that I had roasted in here, I pulled out. I'm going to add that garlic back in. Turn my fire up a little bit. And I'll put my top on and let this kind of simmer for about 30 minutes. And we'll plate it up. And give it a taste. So we'll be back in a few minutes, okay? Okay, we're in our final stage. Remember, this is spaghetti with meatballs and green onion sausage. You can substitute your sausage with hot sausage, pork sausage, pork. If you have a pork chop, throw a pork chop in there and cook everything together. And what I like to do is take a little Parmesan cheese and add it to my sauce here. And then the rest of it I'll put on top of my spaghetti. And right here we have some angel hair pasta. And we'll make a plate. Take a ladle. Take a sausage. Along with some sauce. With the meatball. And take the rest of my Parmesan cheese. And there you go. Remember, if you like this video, don't forget to share it, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and hit the notification button as well. Try to make simple dishes that anybody can make. And you can tweak this, use your own sausages that you like, add some things to it, take some things away. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, like the video, share it, and subscribe. And thanks for coming to the Q. We'll see you next time.